So here we are.
Fredericksburg again.
And it's quiet.
It is quiet. It's a Tuesday afternoon. Stay tuned. So, we just had a wine flight at Becker Vineyards
In town,
not at the winery that we've been to before. And
great people.
Yeah, great people in there. We got taken care of. It was nice. Plus, before that, we had a couple beers and German food. We had the sausage platter with really good
Sauerkraut was amazing.
sauerkraut. Mustard
Fries
was
were
good too.
good.
Yeah, good first start. Excited to see what we do tomorrow.
It's going to be a good day.
But we're tired, so I think we're gonna head back.
Have been up for 17 hours
That's wild.
now. So yeah, we are getting tired. Time to go back and have a glass of wine and relax.
Yeah, more later. On a morning run in Fredericksburg. It's about, I don't know, maybe 80 degrees. Sun just came up a little while ago. Beautiful day. Man, spot though, just from the hotels. Lots and lots of traffic, so not a very peaceful run by any means, but getting one in anyway. Pretty soon we're gonna go get cleaned up, get some breakfast at the hotel, and then we're gonna cruise on down to Kerrville, check out what that town's like, and then probably in the afternoon come back to Fredericksburg, maybe go to a vineyard and a brewery. I don't know in which order. That's what we came to do, have a little bit of fun and enjoy a quick 3-day trip. More later. So we are looking on YouTube ourselves about coming to this town. We are in Kerrville, and one of the places we wanted to check out was
Pints and Plow.
Pint and Plow. Let's go. Well, that's one way to recycle. Wait. That's pretty cool. Yeah. Smells good.
Oh yeah.
Man.
So yours, that last one you had was not as fancy as this one is.
No, this is way cooler.
Oh, it smells so good. Okay. Very cool.
Wow.
Ready? Cheers. So good. So good.
Beautiful. Okay, now we're going to the candy bar. That's what it's called. For some, what we heard was the best chocolate covered bacon. Oh yeah. Okay, so
Here, you can use the plastic.
chocolate covered bacon. How is it?
Mmm. Oh yeah.
That is cool. You gotta eat it quick though, because it's 104 degrees out here, and the chocolate will melt right off the bacon in a minute. Success.
Mm-hmm. No joke.
Okay, we've been waiting to go to this brewery for a long time. Come with us. This is Hallstatt. Yeah, let's go. Well, here we are going to another brewery. This one's pretty. Just like what's walking in front of me. Let's do this. So we came to the wine country and, well, we bought some wine for our room for the evening, but we didn't have a corkscrew, so
We got a really nice one.
we did find a nice corkscrew. You know, almost looks like a switchblade.
But we cannot carry it on the plane.
No, can't take it on the plane. So what do?
We make it to ourselves.
Padded envelope in the mail. It'll get to our house
Well, now we'll find out how long it takes.
probably 3 or 4 days, I would imagine.
But
But it was really nice, and we didn't want to get rid of it, so
well, we didn't want to buy a cheap one. We actually wanted to buy a nice one, so we needed a nice one.
yeah.
So
Anyway,
we're set to go.
well, let's go ahead and mail that corkscrew.
Heading in.
Off you go.
See you in a few days. Well, as the story goes, we mailed ourselves the corkscrew, and there it is. It made it to us. Yay! Here it is. Made it. Yay!
Made it home.